Alright, what's up everybody? Andrew Howard, A Howard A, coming to you on another, it's Tuesday today, October the 2nd, second day of October. Yesterday I started the 5 a.m. challenge where I wake up at 5 a.m. every single day for the month of October to move it from so I can hopefully move it from the 5 a.m. challenge to the 5 a.m. lifestyle, so I can just improve my productivity, because right now I'm in through this semester, my productivity has been terrible, absolutely terrible. I woke up this morning, 5 a.m. on time and everything. Just say, oh cool, I'll have breakfast, I can shower, and then just go throughout my day, because I had class at 8:30, so 5 a.m. was perfect. And then I forgot that I had an exam today in one of my classes, so I didn't study for that at all until this morning. So I skipped one of my classes because I wanted to do good on the test, even though I really didn't do that well anyway on the test. I mean, I would have done even worse if I didn't study at all. So essentially the 5 a.m. thing it helped, especially getting me ready for the day. So I'm hoping that I can keep waking up at 5 a.m. and actually trying to study for this class, because it's not going well. Now I have two classes that really aren't going too well, and I think it's just because of the productivity in my life. So hopefully the 5 a.m. challenge will help me grow and help me be more productive. Alright everybody, well, my camera battery, I had two batteries with me. One was already dead, and the one that was in the camera was just about dead. So I'm back home now. As you see, it's like, God, 5 hours later, 6 hours later. It's about, what, 6:45 tonight. It's been a long day. I actually improved my productivity today. You know how I did that? I went to Starbucks, I got a coffee, sat down, and I just dove right into coding, doing some of my lab work for my actual system software class. And I got that done. I worked on some other videos. So I'm telling you, today productivity has gone up compared to what it started with this morning. Well, I should say yesterday, because yesterday just made today I have to push myself to be more productive. Yeah, productive. There we go, that's the right way to say it. But I'm home, I'm about to head to the gym, and then my cousin's coming over later, just hanging out for the rest of the night, going to the gym. I guess I'll talk to you guys when I get back from the gym, because James is coming over. I know you guys love seeing James, so I'll see you then. Alright, back from the gym now, and James is here. Say what's up, dude.
What's up, guys? I see BZ, I'm back.
Yeah, back. It wasn't too long. I think it was actually the last video. Now that before we were rudely interrupted, where were we? What were we talking about?
We were just talking about me being on your last video.
Oh no, like you were just here, like the last video. Like that's nuts. He's gonna be here this weekend too, because we're going down to
and the summer cruising.
Yes, that's gonna be awesome. There's some sweet cars. Like this is like the hot rods coming this weekend, not like the Ricer burners.
Yeah, so it's the vroom vroom, not the pop pop.
Yeah, what he said. Well, we're gonna enjoy the night, hang out, play some Xbox, and definitely some Fortnite. So if you play Fortnite, you can add me on Xbox. I Howard. Yeah, it's not A Howard A. Someone hacked that account.
Oh no, oh.
That was like 8 years ago.
I gotcha. But you could also add me on Epic, JH Bailey 1994.
That was the year you were born, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. JH Bailey 1994. I'll put it in the description for both our gamer tags on Xbox. But yeah, today I was talking about productivity, and well, we're not going to really be too productive. Actually, I'm going to be a little bit. I'm going to work on some schoolwork while he plays some Fortnite, and so yeah, we can just have some fun here. But eventually we'll hang out. And the 5 a.m. challenge is still happening. He's actually going to be joining me for the 5 a.m. wake up call.
Let's do it.
Yeah, I don't know if he can wake up that early, so we'll see tomorrow. Well, actually, I guess by the time this is uploaded, you can look on my story to see our wake up call.
There we go.
So yeah, we'll check out James, see if he can wake up at 5 a.m. I'm sure he can. It's not too hard, right?
I used to do it all the time. I used to wake up at 3.
All right, so I think we'll be okay. All right, guys, well, I'll catch you guys next time. So make sure you drop a like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you know when I get some upload my videos. All right, say peace.